Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, my name is Liv and I make lots of healthy recipes and wellness videos here on this channel. I am a naturopathic medical student, so that's where my knowledge comes from. I'm all about food as medicine and food just helping you live your best life. So make sure you subscribe and let's see what I eat in a day. Don't mind the bags under my eyes, but so far before my coffee I drank this bottle of water. As you can see, there's only a little bit left. I always like to start off with water before I drink coffee, because coffee is dehydrating. When you wake up you're really dehydrated. So I thought today I would film a what I eat in a day while I'm here at LA. I already know what we're having for lunch, so I'm super excited, but I'm not sure what's for dinner. It might be something home cooked, so I'll show you guys the recipe if that's the case. And I hope you guys are liking this new quality. It's my new camera. I'm not using my iPhone, I'm using a different camera, so hoping quality is better. And yeah, it's very cold. I think I'm gonna go on a run, but it's very cold and I don't know if I brought enough sweatshirts, so I might have to like order 2 sweatshirts in order to go running because it's that cold. And this is the coffee I used. I'm gonna putting in a little bit of the Khalifa Farms unsweetened almond milk. Will that focus? You guys have seen it before. You know what it is. Normally I drink my coffee black, but there's no straw, and I don't want to stain my teeth. So we're putting a little almond milk in to help that. So for breakfast, I'm gonna have those crisp breads that you may have seen in my Trader Joe's haul. I will link that below if you haven't. Some avocado, and of course some everything bagel seasoning on top. It is the best. So I love these crisp breads because A, they're gluten-free. So if you live near Trader Joe's, I would highly suggest picking them up. And what I like about them is I kind of use them as toasts, and because they have like 6 grams of carbs but 3 grams of fiber, that's not gonna focus, basically that means that the net carbs are only 3, which is really good. And fiber is also gonna help fill you up as well, so they'll be really filling type of like crackers, and then avocado is full of healthy fats, so that's also going to help keep you full. I'm so excited about these that I'm gonna buy like a bunch and put them in my suitcase to bring to Canada because they're such a game changer, and you can make so many things. You can top it with whatever you like. You can do almond butter one, like if you want sweet. You could put eggs on it. You can make little mini pizzas. You could do so much with these. So I'm really excited for that find, and I believe they're new at Trader Joe's because they were in that like new at Trader Joe's section. So this is the final product. Super yummy, and again, these are the packaging if you want to get them. So good. So we are at lunch right now. We're at Gracias, Madre, which is an all vegan Mexican place. I've been here before. My favorite is the jackfruit tacos and of course the guacamole. Super excited. So I got a fresh pressed juice. It's kale and something. I don't know, I heard kale and I was like, okay, yes, that's fine. And of course, if you guys know me, no Mexican is complete without guac and chips. Chips and guac. Oh right, chips and guac. Sorry, Emma. So these are the tacos. Everything here is vegan, including like the sauces and everything. There is a jackfruit, a crispy potato, and some sort of sweet potato taquito type thing. And then my niece got a bowl with like coconut rice, avocado, and seeds. And then there's also this mole sauce with like sweet potato and a bunch of different stuff. So we just went to Gracias Madre. It was so good. My niece has been eating vegan for 18 hours now. If you're in LA, I highly recommend. It's a totally vegan restaurant. You just have to go. It's super yummy. Hey guys, so I'm just having, ooh, this might be slanted. There we go. I'm trying out the Trader Joe's organic cold brew. It's actually, see if you can focus. It's nitrogen infused. Espresso is a little bit of a pick-me-up. I'm working on a video now to try and get it up. I think it'll be up before this one's the Trader Joe's / resistance band workout. And I'm actually working on a blog, so I've kind of been like picking away at it for a little too long. So I'm gonna try to like backlog all of my recipes, or at least my most popular / favorite ones will be on there. So I'm gonna leave my blog link down below. If you want to check it out. And yeah, there's going to be exclusive like little posts on there that I don't do videos on as well. So there'll be more than just recipes you see in videos. There'll be like posts on nutrition and wellness and everything like that, probably once a week to start out with, and then we will go from there. But yeah, having some cold brew because I'm falling asleep. And there's no sugar in this, it's just cold brew coffee and espresso. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a quick little black bean pasta type dish and how I like to bulk it up to make it more filling. So this is the black bean pasta. It's from Trader Joe's. There's many different brands. I can even find this in Canada. You just have to like Google it or look in your grocery store. It's leftover, so it's already cooked. And I'm gonna be adding in some Trader Joe's marinara sauce along with some nutritional yeast. So I'm just cutting up some roasted Brussels sprouts. You could do broccoli or any kind of veggie in here. But what that does is it's gonna add greens in, and then we can just do pasta as well. So you still get the fillingness of the pasta, but then you don't get too much pasta, you still get your greens in. So it's gonna be super yummy. You can also get shaved Brussels sprouts and do it that way and just cook it in a pan with the sauce if you wanna make it super easy as well. But any kind of roasted veggies you have on hand will work. Okay, so I have the black bean pasta and then the Brussels sprouts underneath, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of sauce on it, and then I'll just be heating that up. It's good. And then you just mix it up. So I hope you guys liked that what I ate in a day. I'm definitely going to do more, and I'll do more after I do like my how I got lean video, so you guys can see how I typically eat at home on a given day once I'm back from visiting my brother here. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.